Set your stop loss 2 times the height of the current candle body. Then set take profit 2 times above the stop loss. Let's find out the results. This trade is profitable. Set the stop loss 2 times the height of the current candle body. Then set the take profit 2 times below the stop loss. So, it's time to see how this trade performs. It turns out to be a profitable trade. Hey traders, welcome to the Hyper Trade YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the best and very profitable trading strategy. I will demonstrate how to use Bollinger Bands and RSI indicator strategy for day trading. This strategy works with any kind of market, so you can use this strategy to trade Forex, cryptocurrency, stocks, or gold. This strategy is easy to use, so anyone can learn to trade with this strategy. Please watch this video until the end to see how much profit we can make by using this strategy. Do not forget to smash the like button and subscribe to the Hyper Trade YouTube channel so you don't miss out the new strategies from Hyper Trade. In this strategy, we will need 2 technical indicators. The first indicator is Bollinger Bands with default settings. The second indicator is RSI with default settings. If you use TradingView, please follow me to configure the indicators. Our first indicator is Bollinger Bands. You can find this indicator in the TradingView indicators list by typing Bollinger Bands. Then click to add this indicator into the chart. For this indicator, we will use the default settings, so we don't need to change anything here. Our second indicator is RSI or Relative Strength Index. You can search RSI in TradingView indicators list. Add this indicator into the chart. For this indicator, we will use the default settings, so we don't need to change anything here. This is how our chart looks like after setting up all the indicators. If you missed something, please go back to the indicators section in the description. As we can see in our chart, now we have all the indicators needed. Let's get into our first buy example. Our buy conditions are simple. First, the price must cross below the lower band. Second, the RSI must below 30. When all of these 2 happens, wait until the price crosses over the lower band. For the money management, in this strategy we will need to set the stop loss 2 times of the candle body height. And for the take profit, we need to set it 2 times the stop loss. This is our first example buy trade. As we can see in our screen, the price just crossed below the lower band. Then you can see here the RSI is below this line, which means RSI is below 30. We then wait until the price crosses above the lower band. And it just happened. We should prepare our buy trade here. For the stop loss, set it 2 times the height of the current candle body. We should set the stop loss here. After that, set the take profit 2 times above the stop loss. Time to see how this trade performs. As you can see, the strategy makes profit for the first time. We showed our first buy trade that was so good. But that's not enough to prove the profitability of this strategy. Because of that, this video will show you more trades. There are still more buy trade examples, along with short trade examples. Please keep watching until the end to see the profitability of this strategy. Enough with that, let's get into our next buy trade. This time we have our second buy trade entry. As we can see in our screen, the price just crossed below the lower band. Then you can see the RSI is below 30. We then wait until the price crosses above the lower band. The crossover has already happened here. It's our time to enter a long trade again. Set your stop loss 2 times the height of the current candle body. Then set take profit 2 times above the stop loss. Let's find out the results. This trade is profitable. We found a strategy that has a high profitability. But so far we have only tested the long trades. In the real market there, short selling may improve the profitability of this strategy. Because of that, we have prepared the example short trades. So, let's move into example short trades. This will be our first short trade example. Our conditions is actually a reversed version of our long conditions. First, the price must cross above the upper band. Second, the RSI must above 70. When all of these 2 happens, wait until the price crosses below the upper band. This will be our first example short trade. As we can see in our screen, the price just crossed above the upper band. Then you can see here the RSI is above this line, which means RSI is above 70. We then wait until the price crosses below the upper band, and it just happened. We should prepare our short trade here. Set the stop loss 2 times the height of the current candle body. Then set the take profit 2 times below the stop loss. So, it's time to see how this trade performs. It turns out to be a profitable trade. This trade alone is not enough. We have one more trade to make sure this strategy is very profitable. Let's get into our next short trade. We have our second short entry here. As we can see, the price just crossed above the upper band. Then you can see the RSI is above 70. We then wait until the price crosses below the upper band. The crossover has already happened here. It's our time to enter a short trade again. Set your stop loss 2 times the height of the current candle body and set the take profit 2 times below the stop loss. Let's find out the results. This trade ended up being profitable. What a great strategy! We've just discovered a highly profitable strategy for day trading in all markets. However, traders should not rely just on these results. That's because we've only tested this strategy with a little amount of trades. It is a good idea to backtest the strategy with historical market data. Backtesting usually takes around 100 trades to be completed. In the backtesting phase, tweak the strategy and the settings until you find the best results. After backtesting is done, traders can do a paper trading. Paper trading is a trading simulation where traders can practice buying and selling without risking any real money. That means if the trade is a winner, it does not give you money. And vice versa, if the trade loses, you don't lose any money. There's a lot to talk about trading strategies and how to optimize them. If you're interested for more strategies, consider subscribing to the Hyper Trade YouTube channel. Stay tuned for our next video and thanks for watching.